Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I've got a really quick break for you. It's one of these retail boxes of Absolute Football. Like, I don't know what you want to call these, premium retail box. It's not a blaster, but it's not a hobby box, so somewhere in between. It does have 4 packs, but it has 2 hits, so usually the hits that come out of this are not that great, but you never know. I also pulled a Saquon Barkley auto numbered to 10 out of a blaster box, so that alone showed me that you never really know. You pretty much know, but you can never be 100% sure. So with that said, these are not this price any longer. They've come down. I got this one cheap off of DA Card World. I am not associated with them in any way. Just whenever I find a good deal, I like to pass that information along. I thought about getting 2 of these, and I probably should have. But time for that on another day. These are nice little setups here. There are, look for exclusive Spectrum Blue Autos and Signature Standouts, Boss Hogs, and Iconic Ink. Well, give me one of those then, Panini. I'm alright with that. Alright, pack 1. I like the look of these. I like these better than the 2019 for sure. Bortles, Ryan, Cook, Green, Mike Evans, AJ McCarron, Drew Brees, Alan Hearns, Denzel Ward rookie, Christian McCaffrey covering ground, insert. Although these are completely foil and the fingerprints really will get on these. Derek Carr, Josh Norman, who I think was just released, Ryan Tannehill, Roethlisberger, Hopkins, Matthews, Rivers. This is one of the parallels. I like the looks of these parallels too. They're really shiny. Devonta Freeman. I don't know if you can see it in this light. Rookie Alex Magoo, Mr. Magoo. 1-2 punch, Russell Wilson and Doug Baldwin. So I guess both hits are on this side. Trubisky, Odell Beckham. What does that say? Oh, Demaryius Thomas, Cam Newton, Marshawn Lattimore, Zeke, a Kareem Hunt, Quentin Nelson, rookie parallel. Then a rookie force DJ Moore, little tiny jersey there. About what I expected out of here though. Troy Aikman Revolutionaries. So this should be our autograph. Alright, Jerick McKinnon, Marlon Mack, Fitz, Cousins, Suggs, White, Prescott, Adam Thielen parallel, Boss Hogs autograph, Alex Collins. That's actually pretty nice. It looks like the blue Spectrum Blue auto. The light's not great for this type of card, so I can't really. Trying to show you how nice it looks. It's not numbered, but it is a parallel. That's actually a good looking auto. And late game heroic Dak Prescott. So not too bad. I don't know a whole lot about what to expect from Alex Collins. I've heard his name a million times, but I don't know. Anyways, well, that wasn't too bad. Again, these are really affordable on DA Card World right now if you have any interest in opening one. Thanks so much for watching. I told you this would be quick, so I'm not going to babble on. Everybody take care. Love you guys. Bye.